Now, 1 week to school reopening, leaders from Muranga County have challenged learners across the country to put in efforts towards achieving their academic goals. Led by Area Governor Irungu Kang'ata, leaders took best performing students as well as their parents for a tour of Parliament buildings just to encourage learners to put the county on the national map by excelling academically. These and more stories in today's Country Roundup.
The best performing students in the 2022 national examinations from Muranga County and their parents had a rare chance to visit Parliament on Monday. The initiative, pioneered by Area Governor Irungu Kang'ata, is, according to area leaders, meant to inspire the young generations.
These young people are the ones who are going to be the scientists of tomorrow, who will be governors of tomorrow, who will be actuarial scientists of tomorrow, who will ensure that program we have is going to be sustainable beyond our term. They are the computer scientists who will develop more and more automation in Muranga County, and therefore we thought the best way to ensure those programs are sustainable is to pick the best people in KCP in every public primary school in Muranga.
Meanwhile, Kenya Union of Domestic Hotels, Educational Institutions, Hospitals and Allied Workers has called on Education Cabinet Secretary Ezekiel Machogu and the Salaries and Remunerations Commission to address the plight of non-teaching staff in all learning institutions ahead of the expansion of public and private schools in readiness for both junior secondary and Form 1 transition.
But as much as we are talking about the alignment of government, it is important that we raise up one or two issues which the Kenyan workers feel that there are gaps and challenges which needs to be addressed.
Elsewhere, Mwingi Central Member of Parliament, Gideon Muliyungi, wants the Independent Police Oversight Authority, IPOA, to hasten investigations and prosecute a police officer who broke into a home in Kwanungu area, Migwani Ward, and shot dead one of the family members for allegedly stealing 10,000 shillings. In other news, the rise in cases of cervical cancer in Embu County has been attributed to ignorance and lack of awareness. Embu County Chief Officer for Medical Services Jane Karimi says many women in the county are ignorant of their health and only go for checkups when cervical cancer has progressed to later stages.
As a county, we have set a few activities that will be commencing from Monday, and we have put in place several facilities where we will be doing our screening, our vaccination, our treatment, and also doing health education to women.
And the Naivasha Bar Owners Association now wants the county government to review the annual liquor licenses, terming the current fees as the highest in the country, leading to the closure of many liquor outlets in the region.
We have tried to compare some notes from other counties, and it is good to report that this is the most highly taxed county in this republic.
Siku ya leo tumewaita ndio tuweze kuwaeleza requirements ya mtu kuweza kuweka hii biashara ya lika.
Finally, the 100 million shillings mega bus station in Narok County has been completed and is ready for use. Narok County Governor Patrick Ntutu has said.
Ni yetu ambayo mnaona hapa imekuwa na magari nyingi, na ndiposa mnaona kama sasa tumekuwa na shida kubwa ya traffic. Sasa tunataka kuondoa hizo magari. Zile ambazo hazitakuwa zikichukua watu hapa, tutatafutia pahali ambao watakuwa kisimama wakiongoja wakati wao waje waweze kuchukua abiria.
Joan Junge for Prime Edition.